No. There's a whole bunch of them, isn't there? Yeah, you come stay by me. I'll keep you protected. I didn't come out to sniff you anyways. You're fine. What do you think, Mama? Lemur, what do you think? Oh, girls. Hey, Mama. It's just a puppy.